Hey guys, Hobby Picker back, another video. This lock I just got today. It's a Tubar vending machine lock, I believe. Uh, got this from Macgng on key picking. And to be completely honest with you guys, I'm kind of upset at how easy this thing was to pick. I literally had it done in under 2 minutes out of the package. I didn't take a video of it because I'd expected it to be a lot harder to do, but it wasn't. So figured I'd make a video and share this lock with you guys. I'm gonna see if I can show you up close how I tension it. I told Mac that I picked it, and he was interested to find out how I tensioned it. So it wasn't anything really special. What I actually did was I took the tension wrench and I just fitted in right there. As you can see, it's locked. Kind of hard to see, but it does give you access to the pins around it. I mean, you can maneuver a pick around this tension wrench in order to get access to them in order to pick the lock. So nothing special, just got to get a little crafty with the pick, that's all. So see if I can put this back here. There we go. I guess I'll get on to picking it. And there we are. As you can see, it's rotated. There's two little indents right there and right there at the top. I do believe that's when the key goes in, it actually locks the key in by trapping part of the key behind this outer ring right there, and that retains the key. Um, Obviously, you want that sort of feature in a vending machine lock. The lug right there is retracted, as you can see, into the housing. And yeah, nothing too special. That's Tubar. Thanks for watching.